Hello friends, this is Ayaan. You are watching YouTube channel Ayaan Edulogy. Friends, today we will prove one formula of a square minus b square by LHS and RHS both, and that will be so much interesting. So watch this video till end. So let's start the video. So the formula is a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now अगर हम लोग इसको LHS से प्रूव करें, then हम लोग अभी इसका प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं. Now what is the LHS? The LHS is a square minus b square. Now a square. Now we will add ab. Now it is the rule of mathematics that if we add anything, then we should subtract it. So we have to subtract ab also. Now it's here minus b square. Now here in this term a square plus ab, a is common in bracket a plus b, then here b is common in bracket a plus b, because minus and minus will be here plus. Okay. Now again a plus b and a plus b is common, multiplied by a minus b, and that is the RHS. So hence we have proved taking the LHS that a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Hence we have proved. Now अब हम लोग इसको RHS से प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं. So I am just erasing it. तो अब हम लोग इसको RHS से प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं. So what is the RHS? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now it's so easy. हम लोग इसको बस multiply कर देंगे. Then we will get the result a square minus b square, and that is the LHS. So हम लोग उसको prove कर सकते हैं. So now a will be multiplied by this a and this b. This will be multiplied by this and this. Now a multiplied by a is a square. Here it is plus and minus is minus ab plus ba, and by commutative law we know that a into b equals to b into a, that is ab equals to ba. So we can write ab at the place of ba, so it is ba plus ba. So we can write AB. And plus and minus is minus b multiplied by b is b square. Now AB and AB has its opposite sign minus and plus, so it will be cancelled. Now a square minus b square, and that is the LHS. This is the LHS. So hence we have proved taking the RHS that a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Hence we have proved. तो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. If there is any doubt, then comment me. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं, then subscribe my channel, like this video, और अपने दोस्तों में भी शेयर करें ताकि जो आप सीखते हैं अपने दोस्तों को भी सिखाएं, और नोटिफिकेशन को ऑल पे प्रेस कर दें. तो मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियोस में कोई डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें. बाय.